Next topic is the Cnidaria. So Cnidarians means hydra, moon jellyfish, all these are comes under the Cnidaria. Those are also marine animals. Moon jellyfish, if you consider, it is living solitarily, singly, whereas hydras, they are present colonially. That means here solitary and colonial both will be present. Level of organization is tissue and diploblastica. Symmetry is the radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means if you cut the organism in any direction, it is divided into two equal halves is called the radial. So here it is cylindrical. Cylindrical is cut if you any direction, it is divided equal halves. That's why we are calling it is a radial symmetry. Body forms, here two body forms are present. Polyp and medusa. Polyp, medusa. Polyp is cylindrically present. Sessile not moving. Sessile, what is the meaning of sessile? Not moving. It is attached to the rocks or any other substance. The main function of polyp is food collection. Medusa, bell or a umbrella shape, and just like moon jellyfish, free swimming and reproduction is the main function. And come to the exoskeleton, here corals, if you taken, they are made up of calcium carbonate. Remaining gill is not doesn't containing these calcium. Body wall, outer is ecto and inner is endo is present. That endo is also called the gastrodermis. Between these two, mesoglia is present. This mesoglia is lessly present in polyp, cylindrical, morely present in medusa, bell shape, because to balancing the body in water. Why we are calling it is a Cnidaria? Because cnidocytes are present. The function of cnidocytes are catching the prey, food, defensing purpose. Anchorage means attaching. What is the meaning of anchorage? Attaching purpose, it is helpful. And nutrition, I told you, sponges, it is a intracellular. That means food is entering into the cell and digested. But here both intra and extracellular. Extracellular means enzymes are released to digest the food. So here food is digested both intracellular and extracellular. Respiration and excretion will be takes place by simple diffusion. And coordination, first time statiocytes, sensory cells are observed in Cnidaria, which are forming the nerve net to carry the nerve impulses. And come to the reproduction, both asexual and sexual will be takes place. Asexual, especially fragmentation. In sexual, it is a unicellular, that means only one, male is separated, female is separated. Bisexual means both are present in single organism. And fertilization is external, outside the body it is takes place. Development is indirect, that means larval stage is present, that is called, the name of the larva is planula. Name of the larva is planula. Metagenesis. What is metagenesis? See here. Medusa sexually producing the gametes, those are undergo fertilization, and it is a planular larva. Now only I told you here, planula is the larva. That planular larva fragmented to produce again medusa form. So that means here, medusa sexually producing the polyp, polyp asexually producing the medusa in alternate generation. One is larva, one is the adult. So polyp asexually producing medusa, medusa sexually producing. So polyp asexually producing medusa, medusa sexually producing the polyp in alternate generations is called the metagenesis. Is called the metagenesis. So this is about the metagenesis. Next come to the classification. So classification, it is divided into three: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthrozoa. Hydrozoa example is the hydra. What is the example? Hydra. And whereas Scyphozoa example is the Aurelia, moon jellyfish mainly. Phycelia is Portuguese man of war, because that much cnidocytes are present here. Come to the Anthrozoa, Meridium, which is the sea anemones. Adamantia is also sea anemones. And Gargoria sea fan. Main brain color, Pennatula sepen. Pennatula sepen. So these are the classifications. Next topic is the Ctenophora. Why we are calling Ctenophora means here it is consisting of comb plates. What it is consisting? Comb plates are present. Cteno means teeth. Comb is how teeth is present. Like here it is also containing teeth. That's why Ctenophora, comb jellyfish, sea gooseberries, sea walnuts, they are comes under this. Habitat, it is also exclusively marine, and level of organization same as Cnidaria, tissue level, symmetry, biradial symmetry here. Bi means two, radial means any direction. So if you cut in two directions, it will be divided equally two halves. And here Cnidarian nidocytes are present. Here Ctenophora, coloblasts are lassocytes, glue cells are present to attach. And comb plates are present to move from one place to another place, locomotion. And gastrovascular cavity, if you observe, mouth is present, anus is present. Two anal pores are present. Digestion is extracellular. Respiration and excretion all will be simple diffusion. Coordination same as nerve net is present. Reproduction, only sexual reproduction will be takes place, and fertilization is external, development is indirect, sedipidae larva. And examples, regeneration is also there. Examples, if you consider based on these tentacles, here tentacles are there na? These tentacles, tentaculata, nuda, they are divided into tentaculata and nuda. So tentaculata example, Plurobranche, Hermifora, Ctenophora, whereas nuda, Biro is the example. So what is the main difference between nidocytes? This is nidocyte. And Cnidarians and these Ctenophora is nidocytes are present. Here glue, lassocytes are the glue cells, coloblast cells are present. This is the main difference between the Cnidaria and Ctenophora.